guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video. Today we will have a detailed analysis of the company. So today we will have a detail about the company's business. We will have a detail about the key financial highlights of the company. We will also have a look about the balance sheet and the profit and loss account of the company, and about the holding and the inside trades, and also the pros and cons. And at last I will share you my view about this company, whether I am adding this company on my watch list or not. So the company in today's video whom we are going to talk about is none other than V-Guard Limited. So the company is actually engaged in the manufacturing, trading and selling of electronic and electrical products, which we will have a detailed look about the products in the next sheet. So now we will have a look more about the details of the company. So the companies get almost around 43% of its revenue from the electrical segment area, followed by electronics, which contributes almost around 30%, and the 27% has been provided by the consumer durables, and the rest percent is provided by the others. The company also has established distribution networks which comprises of almost 31 branches and 40,000 channels to reach the customers across the India. So now we will have a look about the products of the company. So the products includes voltage stabilizers, inverter, which also includes water heaters, fans, especially on gas stoves, and domestic switch gears, and many more. So the company actually engaged in the production and the manufacturing of electric components. So now we will have a look about the graph of the company. So the current price is around 259 rupees, which is almost around 260 rupees, where the all-time high was around 275 rupees and the low was 181 rupees. In 1 year, the company has given almost positive 18% returns to its shareholder. So now let's have a look on the fundamental key highlights of the company. We will have a quick nap about this company. So the PE is around 46.6. The market cap is around 11,200 crores. The ROC, which is return on capital employed, is 21.8. The EPS, which is earning per share, is 5.6 rupees. Whereas the ROE, which is return on equity, was around 17.4%. The book value is around 33.6 and the promoters holding is almost 56%. So this is the overall fundamental key highlights. So now let's have a look on the peer comparison of the company with its competitor. So the first position is being taken by the Havells India, followed by ABB India, and you can just pause the video and have a look all the details about this company, and you can just also compare the company with its competitors related to the PB, PE and EPS and many more ratios. So you can just have a look about that. So now let's have a look on the profit and loss account of the company. So in profit and loss, the sales of the company has increases from almost 2,300 crores to almost 3,474 crores as per March 2022. Similarly, if we see the profit before tax, it was around 177 crores as per March 2018, which has increases to 290 crores as per March 2022. Whereas the profit after tax, which is the net profit, was around 133 crores as per March 2018, which has increases to 226.8 crores as per March 2022. So this is the profit and loss account of the company. Now let's have a look on the balance sheet of the company. So in balance sheet, the total liability was around 1,154 crores as per March 2018, which has increases to almost 2,000 crores as per March 2022. Similar the case with total assets, but overall the company has invested a lots of money, that is around 102 crores, whereas the company's other current liability was around 1,500 crores and the company's fixed asset is around 400 crores. You can just pause the video and have a look about the company. And whereas in current liability it is around 602 crores, and current liabilities includes creditors and many more, and eventually the non-current liabilities, which may be included in a form of long-term loans, was around 59 crores as per March 2022. So now let's have a look on the cash flow of the company. So in cash flow, we will just have a look on the net cash flow. So in March 2018, it was around negative 9, almost 10 crores, which has increases to almost 227 crores in the negative side as per March 2022, as the company has changed its liability and assets of the company, and similarly the company has invested its cash flow in various structures, which includes other buildings, other organizations, and especially on the other industries. So this is the overall cash flow of the company. So now let's have a look on the main ratios of the company. So you can see over here the sales growth has increases, which is showing a 1 year growth of almost around 28.74%. Similarly with profit growth of 1 year was around 14%, whereas the ROE was around 17.83% and the ROC, which is return on capital employed, is around 22.63%. The debt to equity ratio is 0.01. The price to cash ratio is negative 321. The interest coverage ratio is almost 40. and the CFO was around almost 1. So this is the overall main ratios of the company. Now we will have a look about the inside trade. So in the recent December 2022, there is a lot of shares which has been sold by the different persons of the company. You can just pause the video and have a look. There isn't any buy of this company, and similar the case with November 2022. We doesn't provide that data, but you can just check that on skinner.in. So this is the overall negative side. You can just have a look. There is a lot of person who have just sell his stakes. So now let's have a look on the pros and consequence of the company. So in pros, the company has maintained a healthy ROC of almost around 25% in the last 3 years. The company is virtuated a free debt company, and the company has a healthy interest coverage ratio of almost around 40. The company is also a efficient cash conversion, whereas in cons, the company has shown a poor revenue growth of almost around 10.6% in the last 3 years. The company has a total liability of around 391 crores in a form of contingent liability, and the company has negative cash flow around negative 34 crores, where the company is trading at a high PE which is around 46.61. So these are the pros and cons account of the company. Now let's have a look on the holdings of the company. So the promoters hold around 55.86%, whereas the DII holds 18.06%, the public hold 13.16%, and the FII holds 12.92%, which includes in promoter shares it was around 55.86, which is unplaced as per September 2022. So this is the overall holdings of the company. So now the summary of the company. So I feel that the company is overall a good one, but as per the condition, the cash flow of the company is not good. Similar the case with the inside trade, a lots of companies, employees and boards of director has sell its shares at the maximum price of around 270 to 280 rupees, which is a bad sign. And if you just compare with the previous year, it was actually the same. A lots of persons have actually sold its shares. So this is the overall view. So if you ask me personally, I am not adding this company on my watch list just because the cash flow is not good. And similar the case with the inside trade, a lots of shares has been already been sold by the promoters and by the directors of the company. So this is my view about this company. So tell me whether you are applying for this company or not in my comment section. I will love to hear from you from. So thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Bye bye. And don't forget, this is not a bias or recommendation video. This is just for a personal knowledge. Do your own analysis before investing. Bye bye.